It is definitely on the cold side again here today, particularly with the winds that are moving around. That always makes it feel so much colder when you're trying to enjoy being outdoors, maybe for a post-New Year's Day hike. Temperatures this morning, double digits below zero in some communities, including Littleton. Jefferson got down to 8 below, and Thornton, Danbury about 7 below. We've seen some improvement over the last couple of hours, most of us in the teens and 20s right now. But when you factor in the winds, the wind chills keep most of us in the single digits through the day today. Storm-free forecast, though, which is great. This is a busy time of year still for people returning or still going to and from family, visiting, or doing some winter recreation. And so it's nice that we don't have any travel issues. In fact, it'll be excellent dry through the weekend here. We see a mix of sunshine and clouds all across the state right now. Littleton, one of the coldest spots at 12 after starting sub-zero. And a few clouds passing through in Center Harbor and down toward Manchester, too. Here's what you can expect through the rest of today. A mix of sun and clouds, temperatures in the 20s, and the winds will start to come down a little bit, but they still will be moving during the overnight hours tonight, so wind chills remain a factor throughout the overnight and into tomorrow as well. It's only 10 in Berlin now, 19 in Laconia, in the 20s from Concord to Rochester, Portsmouth 24, 26 degrees in Nashua. And here's a look at the current wind gusts. Sustained winds are upwards of, say, 10 miles per hour, but occasionally you get these gusts near 20, even 22 miles per hour in Laconia, 20 miles per hour in Plymouth, and that just really makes it feel extra cold when you're maybe out pumping gas or just walking from home into a store. These are the feels like temperatures to expect when you're heading out this afternoon. Only single digits Laconia, Concord feels like 9, feels like 0 in Berlin now. So we're seeing a lot of sunshine, a few passing fair weather clouds. You can see them here in the White Mountains coming across Lake Winnipesaukee and Sunapee area there, some of the clouds moving about. But really no storms in the immediate vicinity. As this colder air is getting dragged down out of Canada, it's going over the Great Lakes. We've got some lake effect snow that's happening. Some of those lake effect snow showers may survive the trip off toward the east and may make it toward us. So don't be surprised if you see a stray flurry this afternoon. But that's it. Nothing substantial. The cold air still remains locked in place for the next couple of days. In fact, probably the coldest day of the next few will be on Monday, with highs struggling to even get out of the teens. But then there is some hope if you want maybe a little bit of a January thaw. That looks to be coming by the middle and end of next week. A few scattered snow showers or snow flurries possible this afternoon and this evening. Otherwise, we are clear tonight. A few clouds will move through on Saturday, and again, a stray flurry is possible. A system moving to the south of us overnight Saturday into Sunday may bring a few light snow showers, very scattered in nature in southern communities, but that's it. That's all there is in the forecast, other than a mix of sun and clouds through this weekend. Not as brutally cold tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, our temperature is similar to today in the teens, far north, 20s south. We'll do that all over again on Sunday. Monday, even colder. Before we start to pull out of the real winter chill, we'll be into the 30s on Wednesday and then possibly into the 40s by Thursday of next week.